Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to talk about computed property in Vue.js. So let's get started. So we have already learned variables in Vue.js, like I'm creating a text and it is a hello world. To use this variable, you have to put inside this h1 tag. I'm writing two curly bracket, and inside this curly bracket you have to type the name of this variable. So as you can see here, so what you can do using computed property is that just below this data you have to type computed and colon and second bracket. So inside this computed property you have to write a function. Let's suppose I want to reverse this whole string. So what I have to do, I am writing a function called reverse, and inside this reverse I want to reverse this one. So this function will return the reverse of this hello world. So return this dot text. This dot text means I'm taking this variable here. I'm using the text variable inside this computed property. So inside this dot text dot split dot reverse and then join. So let's see what we get here. So h2 and inside here, to use this computer property you have to use this second curly bracket. Inside this double curly bracket you have to type the name of this function, which is reverse. So I'm typing reverse here and see what we get. Okay, so I have made some mistakes in syntax here. Yeah, as you can see, the hello world string is reversed now. So if you change something like hello, it will change automatically. So you can do much more thing with this, like if you want to return something else you can do it also. Let's suppose or no ports, it will reverse this too. So that's all for guys today. Thank you for watching and I will see you next time.